Welcome back, culinary enthusiasts. Today, we're embarking on a flavorful journey, diving into some essential cooking hacks that will elevate your home cooking to a whole new level. With just a few innovative tools and techniques, you'll find yourself whipping up incredible dishes that may even impress your guests, ready to transform your kitchen skills. Let's get started. First up are the tools of the trade. A chef's knife is your trusty companion in the kitchen. Investing in a high-quality, sharp knife will make meal prep a breeze, turning what used to feel like a chore into a joyful slicing dance. Remember, a dull knife can lead to unintended accidents, so keep yours sharp. Complement your knife with a practical cutting board setup, using one for raw meats and another for veggies. This small change not only simplifies your cooking process, but also keeps your kitchen safe and organized. Next, let's unwrap the concept of mise en place, French for everything in its place. This game-changing philosophy encourages you to prep all your ingredients before you even turn the stove on. Imagine chopping, measuring, and laying out everything neatly on your counter. This simple step eliminates frantic ingredient hunts mid-cooking, allowing you to glide through your culinary creation with ease. Suddenly, you become the superhero of the kitchen, effortlessly assembling delicious dishes like never before. Now let's kick it up a notch with some killer cooking techniques. When sautéing, it's crucial to heat your pan before introducing your vegetables and oil. This ensures that they sizzle in harmony and develop that beautiful caramelized finish. Avoid overcrowding the pan. Each piece deserves its moment in the heat. And for pasta lovers, here's a secret. Save a splash of that starchy cooking water before draining your pasta. When whisked into your sauce, it enhances the texture, transforming it into a velvety delight that ties your dish together beautifully. Finally, let's talk flavor boosters. Spices and herbs are the magic dust that can elevate your meals. A mere pinch of salt can brighten flavors and bring dishes to life. Be bold and experiment with fresh herbs, spices, and even citrus zest to unlock hidden dimensions in your cooking. Your kitchen is a canvas, and these ingredients are the vibrant colors you can paint with to create a masterpiece on everyone's plate. Ready, set, cook your heart out.